Oh, how we dance on the night where were we? We bow through love, though our words wasn't said. The world was in bloom. There were stars in the skies, except for a few that were dear in your eyes. Dear, as I held you so close in my arms, angels were singing a hymn to your charm. Though hearts gently beating were murmuring low, darling, I love you so. The night seems to fade into blossoming down. The sun shone on you, but the dance lingered on. Could we but recall that with moments sublime, we'd find that our love ain't unaltered by time. Two hearts gently beating with murmuring low. My darling, I love